Welcome to Bible Brick Tales. Today we explore the story of Job, a man who faced everything, yet never gave up on God. Job lived in the land of Uz. He was wealthy, had a large family, and was known for being honest, faithful, and deeply respectful of God. But one day, in heaven, Satan challenged God. He said, "Job is faithful only because he's blessed. Take everything away, and he'll curse you." God allowed Satan to test Job, but Job himself couldn't be harmed. Yet Job fell to the ground and said,
"The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord."
But Satan wasn't done. He said, "If Job loses his health, he'll surely curse you." So, Job was struck with painful sores all over his body. Job's wife told him, "Curse God and die."
Curse God and die.
Should we only accept good from God and not trouble?
3 friends came to comfort him, but instead, they blamed him, saying he must have done something wrong. Job wondered, why was he suffering if he did nothing wrong? Finally, God answered, not with an explanation, but with a reminder.
"Where were you when I laid the earth's foundation?"
Job humbled himself before God, trusting him fully. In the end, God restored Job's fortunes, giving him back double what he had before, plus new sons and daughters. The story of Job teaches us that even when life feels unfair, we can trust God's wisdom and goodness. Sometimes we won't understand, but like Job, we can still say,
Blessed be the name of the Lord.
Did you enjoy Job's story? There's so much to learn from the Bible. Subscribe to Bible Brick Tales for more incredible stories, built brick by brick.